Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today I'll give you some tips to sound musical while playing. Whenever there is a chord change on each bar, try to make your chord ready by the time you are strumming the beat one. For example, let's say there is a chord change on each bar and the song uses A major and D major chords. In fact, there is a song that you can play after you are done with A major chord, Rubaru from Rang De Basanti, a classic example of using just two simple chords. However, the strumming pattern is a bit difficult for this song. I'll put the link of this play along in the cards and in the description so you can check out. The strumming pattern is a bit tricky, but no worries. While playing along, you can simply down strum on beat 1. Coming back to chord changes of A major and D major, look closely what my fingers are doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am lifting them off after 4th beat. I am confident I would be able to change in time. But for a beginner, keeping this pace would be difficult and maybe would look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just becomes uneven and doesn't sound musical. Usually, a down strum is on the first beat of the bar or wherever there is a chord change. So, if there is a chord change in halfway on the bar, there will be two chord changes, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This kind of thing calls for observation and calculation. You have to think when you need to start the chord change so that on beat 1 you strum the right chord. For the first few times when you are playing with songs that have new chords, you are going to mess it up. That's okay. Everyone goes through the process of learning. Be kind to yourself, take a deep breath, relax and go back to practice. With more and more practice, things will fall in its place. Tapping your foot will help you here. Play the song. Tap your foot. It will make you ready to play. Some people will find it helpful to change on beat 4 so that they get time of a beat to make the change and deliver the chord on the next beat. 1, 2, 3, change. 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 Okay? Your strumming should not stop whatever you are doing. Okay? Keep that in mind. Experiment for some time on this and find your sweet spot to change the chord in time to sound musical.